Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to wish you a very happy new year from a very wet and rainy Bangalore. It is amazing weather here today. All of us had a really difficult 2020. Our life came to a standstill. We had no entertainment for most part of the year, or rather after Q1. So no films, no sports. So it was a really tough year for all of us. So what I did was I was working, and then it got to me, the whole stress, the difficult year. So I decided to take a break just to immerse myself in sports. So I did some exciting stuff, and rather I'm continuing to do. I started my own blog, I started my own YouTube channel. I was part of some sports discussions with Vaidehi in Women in Sport India. I was part of some podcast with Bharatami, and also got a great experience being part of the fan group discussions on NDTV as part of the Bharatami. So I've been doing some amazing stuff and I love it. The most important thing I think that I've done is networking. I am connecting with people in the sports world to understand how that industry works. And I also did a sports analytics course from Gaurav Sundararaman. So, as you see, I'm still on a break, by the way. I've extended it till March. Um, so, that's my daughter Akansha enjoying my recording.
Hi.
So yeah, so to continue, I've been doing some amazing stuff um, in this break. Yeah, so why am I doing all this? It's just because I love to talk, right? Discuss about sport. That's what I want to do in my future. I started writing, I started discussing, um, because that's what makes me happy. That's a good segue into my topic, like the next topic. I'm going to set three goals for myself, goals which are interesting and challenging, but something that I always want to do, and that will keep me going in this year. And I'm going to put my whole energy towards that. I already have started that journey, but this year I want to lead to closure. Now, what are those? The first one is, as all of you know, I'm a cricket fan, right? I travel the world with the Bharat Army, supporting the team, etc. Now, in this break, because of Vaidehi, who is a founder of Women in Sport India, we started these discussions on various Olympic sports. That required a lot of research, and I am just so fascinated by all the other sports like boxing, wrestling, swimming. You would have seen my blogs and posts on LinkedIn. I understand the games now, I understand who the players are, and I am backing our team India completely in the Olympics. So, my first goal is, if everything is in my control, travel and vaccination and all of that, my goal is to go to the Olympics in Japan and support Team India. I cannot even imagine that feeling when our athletes will be on the podium with our national flag and our national anthem playing there. I want to do that much for our athletes. Goal number two is that I want to build my network, which I've already started, build skills that are required in the sports industry, and get into the sports industry one day. So I have 15 years of corporate experience, zero experience in sports. Um, I have a full-time corporate job. I have a daughter, but I still want to switch the industry. I hear people saying, "Oh no, it's just too late. You don't have any experience. Why would anybody take you?" But I want to break that belief. I want to make sure I get into the sports industry because that's where my heart is, and I'm sure where your heart is, you put more than 100% of your effort. And I have rich corporate experience as well, good knowledge of sports. So I think I will do well there, and I'm going to make sure I get into the sports industry this year. Third, and I think very important goal is, I want to do something for our country, India, in the field of sports. I don't know how, when, where, but I want to contribute in some way to our country, to sports. I've played sports all my life, no, and I think the skills that you learn in sports is just cannot be compared. Whatever you do in school, college, academics, and all of that, what you learn in sports is much more than anything in theory that you learn. So these are my three goals. One, try to go to Olympics to support our team India. Two, get into the sports industry um, this year. Third is contribute to a country in the field of sports in even the smallest way possible. So these are my three super goals, and I am supercharged this year to be focusing all my energies there. So, what are your goals? Please let me know in the comments. You want to say something?
Hi, my name is Akansha. I love animals and I love the month. I love the year January. Month January. That's because on January 10th is my birthday. So I love it. And here in Bangalore, the weather is very gloomy, and she and me love gloomy weather. My father says, "Hey, what nonsense gloomy weathers are." We have a pet, Ebony. He's a dog, not a German Shepherd, a Labrador, and he's black. And one day, a cat came here. It was a female cat. Her name is Jessie. We named her Jessie. We had a lot of fun with her. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Hope you also have some interesting goals this year and you're going to chase your dreams like I am doing currently. So have fun. Hope you all have an exciting 2021. See you. Bye.